Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have a watch unboxing here. This watch is on loan from Diving Armour. I think that's the name of the company. It actually came from Random Rob and sharing this with a couple of us. So let's get this open. This is a prototype watch. See if I can get this open without destroying the box. So yeah, this is a prototype diving style watch. Going to just get some first impressions here, and then we'll have a full review following this. Alright, there we go. This case looks familiar. I think NTH has a case like this. So anyway, let's get it open. I don't know if this is the case it's going to come in. Like I said, this is a prototype. Oh wow, this is very cool. I've never seen a watch like this before. Yeah, so the crown is obviously at the top. Almost, well, it is an integrated lug design, sort of. It's going to cut out there, but you're not going to put a different bracelet or strap on this. I think Citizen has a watch like this, but it's a chronograph. There may be some other watches like this as well. If you guys are aware of any, just put it in the comment section. Yeah, it's really neat. Looks like a ceramic bezel insert, maybe even loomed. Trying to find my UV flashlight. Yeah, it's definitely loomed. I don't know if you guys can see that, but we'll do a loom shot in the full review video. Yeah, this is cool. Must be an automatic movement. It's not quartz, that's for sure. There we go. It's a little awkward getting to this crown, but it's not too bad. Just takes some getting used to. Must be in the date set position. Yep, there we go. So it's hacking and hand winding. The crown is huge. I don't have my calipers here, but probably like a 10mm crown. So it has a ratchet clasp here. I think I've seen this clasp on some other watches before. Real nice engraved case back there. See if I can read it. Now I'll zoom in and let you guys read it. All right, let's get this on wrist. Well, actually, we can take a closer look at the dial since we're zoomed in. Looks like a nice black dial, nice glossy black dial there. Date wheel. Does it say narval? Oh, that's pretty cool. That'd be like the isn't that the whale that has like looks kind of like a unicorn, has a horn sticking out of his nose. But anyway, yeah, let's get this on wrist. Narwhal. I'm thinking about a narwhal. Must be what it says. Anyway, let's get this on wrist. I'll take a few of the links out and wear this around for a little bit, and then do the full review video. But yeah, this is a cool looking watch. Definitely unique. Never had anything like this before. And I will look up the company and leave a link in the description below. Have any questions, put them in the comment section, and talk to you guys soon. Oh, and as always, thank you for watching and commenting. I really appreciate it. And yeah, that will conclude the video. Hey, so I'm back again. I was looking around in the box here, and it has this strap. Sorry, the strap as well. Looks like a nice nylon, two-piece nylon strap with quick release. So I may try it out on this as well. This can't be for... No, this can't be for this. Oh, yeah, it is. Okay. Ah, that's pretty neat. So I did not notice this before. You can remove this bracelet. It has kind of an end link here. Oh, okay. So that's pretty creative, actually. So you have some lugs here, and then you have some lugs here. I'm gonna have to try that out. So anyway, hopefully you stuck around for the end, even though I ended it prematurely. And I did not notice that, so that's pretty creative. It's not often I see something different like this. Looking at all these watches, I mean, they're, you know, generally the same kind of idea. Bezel, without bezel, rotating bezel, chronograph. So anyway, I'm rambling on here. It is a signed buckle, by the way. It says Diving Armour. So, all right, that will conclude the video. Talk to you guys later.